Welcome to Burobamba here in Kinara, Loja, Ecuador. We are here on this gorgeous 4 hectares property. We're gonna walk around. There's a beautiful, charming house here. We're gonna go check it out. This property is fantastic. It has tons of fruit trees, a wide variety of different fruit trees. We're gonna go explore. There's river access down below. You got gorgeous views of the Kinara Valley. This property was designed as an animal sanctuary, so you'll see some horses, some donkeys, a lot of beautiful nature. It's a really great place, extremely private. Let's go check it out. Right, so this right here is the main house. We have some concrete and steel beams as the structure of the property, and then we have some adobe walls. First, we're gonna go downstairs to the kitchen living room area. Walk around the front door here. Got a nice little kitchenette, very good propane stovetop, nice little sink, and enjoy the gorgeous views as you're here in the house. Right here, we have the living room area. Here, read a book at night, work on your computer. Of course, the dining table here. Enjoy a meal, light up a fire here in the house. Beams are made out of Amazonian hardwood, and we have some pine floors upstairs. There's also some eucalyptus up in the roof. So this house is powered by solar energy. There's solar panels on the roof. Here we have the solar system here. And then here in the bodega, the storage room, well, first of all, there's a really nice space here for storage. Here you can put your things. There's also a cold root cellar down under here. And then we have the solar batteries here that are being charged all by solar panels. So this house is off-grid. As we are exiting now the kitchen, living room, dining room area, we are gonna go to the front of the house. There's a fire pit here for nighttime. And then you can come here and enjoy those expansive, gorgeous views. Listen to the silence. So the house is equipped with a gutter system on the roof, down this chain here into this drainage here, and go down towards the bottom of the property. Let's keep walking around the house here. This house does not have normal flush toilet. This house has compost toilet, which are right here. This is the compost toilet area. So this is definitely, if you are into more off-grid, natural living, this is the house for you. All right, so now we're gonna go upstairs. Look at this beautiful room. You can breathe here. We have some high ceilings, very cute little bed here in the corner. All of the windows have this security. You have security bars that were very beautifully designed on all of the main windows on the property. Here you have those, and all around the room as well. And then right here, we have the balcony upstairs. Once again, to come and enjoy those gorgeous views of the Kinara Valley. Very beautiful, peaceful, quiet place. All right, so another thing to point out is this calefón. This is a hot water heater, propane. It's very convenient, very easy to change. It's literally just a valve like this. You put it on top, press, click, and that's done. Very simple, very user-friendly. Right now, we're gonna go around the house. There's tons of beautiful plants and trees here, flowers, but a lot of fruit trees as well. And I just wanted to show you guys that. So right here, we got some bananas, of course. This is the banana tree. We've got some coffee down below. All of these are coffee trees. There's a lot of those as well on the property. I see some ají, or some hot peppers. This is the ají. This is really good for making hot sauces. There's a large avocado tree right here. Some little baby avocado. I believe they call this amaranth, if I'm not mistaken. But these red leaves, they use them for making the horchata, the red tea. There's some gardens here. Let's go take a look at that. There's some sage here. We have some rosemary. We have some mint right over here. Comfrey. There's some lemongrass over here. Oh, good. Wow, this is amazing. I wish you could smell this. Let's go down to the shower area. So this is your shower area here. Of course, it's connected to hot water. Imagine coming here, taking a shower within the flowers, within nature, the elements with you, hearing the sounds of the birds. Then we have a bathtub as well. Right over here, you can come take a little bath out in the jungle, surrounded by nature. A lot of coffee plants. I know they produce, because I've seen them. I think it's not the season right now, but they produce a lot of delicious coffee. We have some citrus right over here. There are lots of citrus on this property. This is a lemon. It's not fully ripe, but it can make some really good lemonade. This property was designed as an animal sanctuary, mostly for horses and donkeys. Burobamba Donkey Sanctuary. Let's go say hi to the animals. It's worth pointing out while we're here that the property is set up with an irrigation system. There's a main line here. The whole property gets irrigated. Donkeys are being very hard here in Ecuador. They carry a lot of sugarcane on their back. They get hurt sometimes. Some of those donkeys, once they get older, once they can't work, the owner here will rescue them and keep them here. Another great spot to come and hang out here. A nice little private zone here up in the trees. And over here, you can see the main house. And we're gonna head down to the river area. All right, so now we're down here by the river. There's a large, beautiful mango tree right there. Let's go take a look. Come here, enjoy, read a book, take a nap, drink a beer. There's a large eucalyptus tree right here, very big tree. Right, so let's walk down towards the river. You got your own private river access here. Nobody else comes here. The water is really not that cold right now this time of year, so you can come just like the dog. Take a little swim in the river, get wet, get refreshed. All right, so after a refreshing time in the river, let's go check out this nice flat area right here. 2-3 acres of flat, usable land. Some of it's being planted, but there's still a lot of space. There's an area for ponds, so you could fill the ponds with river water and have some fish there. And you got all this usable space here where you could build another house, plant some trees, plant some gardens. And then this is also part of the property. It's just a fenced-in area. Someone built a little, very simple structure here. You could put a tent in there. Let's go take a look. We have this little simple construction here made out of wood and bamboo, tin roof. A nice area for putting up a tent. You have a little counter space here, right here next to the house. There's some zanahoria blanca or parsnip growing on the ground. There's some basil as well growing here. All right, so right now we're arriving at this charming 1-bedroom wood and brick cabin. It's not fully finished, as you can see. This means that you'll have the unique opportunity to shape it up and design it just the way you want. All right, so once again, we have the third house here, another guest house. It's basically finished. There's a few more things that could be done, plastering the outside of the bricks, but let's go take a look at the house. Nice, very comfy 2-bedroom house. Once again, with gorgeous views of the valley. We'll take a look inside. These are the old Ecuadorian doors that got repainted and they're very ancient. Then you have 1 bedroom right here. We have the other bedroom here. We have a little bathroom, shower, and the kitchen area. All right, so thank you for joining us today on this property highlight video tour of Burrobamba here in Quinara, Ecuador. We hope to see you here one day, and until then, we will see you next time.